Hello everyone, this is Mamta Mond and today we learn and solve questions 2 to 5 of chapter 11. Chapter name is Algebra, exercise 11.3 of class 6 of NCERT Mathematics textbook. If you have not subscribed my YouTube channel, then please subscribe my YouTube channel and hit the bell icon for getting notifications of future videos. Please visit my blog masquerade.com for more information regarding the textbook solutions of CBSE, ICSE and the other state books. Let's get started and solve some questions. Today we learn and solve questions 2 to 5 of exercise 11.3. Chapter name is Algebra and topic is expressions with variables. Let's solve some questions. Now question number 3. Question number 3 is identify the operations in forming the following expressions and tell how the expressions have been formed. The algebraic expressions in the first bit A is z plus 1, z minus 1, y plus 17 and y minus 17. We have to identify the operation in which operation is formed in these following expressions. In z plus 1, this is an algebraic expression because this z is the variable and 1 is the constant, and between variables and constant the operation plus addition operation is performed. So this is the operation addition in z plus 1. Z plus 1 addition operation is performed. In z minus 1 subtraction, z is the variable and 1 is the constant, and this is the subtraction symbol. In z minus 1 subtraction operation is performed. Y plus 17, in y plus 17 plus, this is the addition operation is performed. In y plus 17 addition operation is performed. And y minus 17, this is subtraction operation is performed. Y is the variable and 17 is the constant. Identify the operation and in the following expression and tell how the expressions have been formed. Z plus 1 is performed with addition of the variable z and 1. Adding the variables z and with 1, constant 1. And z minus 1 performed with the variable, subtraction is performed between the variable z and 1. Subtracting 1 from the variable z. And y plus 7 is the algebraic expression having the operation addition. Y, the variable y is added with the constant 17. And y minus 17 is the algebraic expression performed with the subtraction operation. 17, the constant 17 is subtracted from the variable y. Now second bit B, 17y, y divided by 17 and 5z. These are the algebraic expressions given, and we have to identify the operations in forming the following expressions and tell how the expression have been formed. 17y. This is the algebraic expression where 17 is the constant and y is the variable, and 17y is the algebraic expression performed with the multiplication, multiplying the constant 17 with the variable y. Multiplication operation performed. Y divided by 17. This is an algebraic expression having variable y and the constant 17. Here a division operation is performed, dividing y with 17. Division. And 5z is the algebraic expression multiplying the constant 5 with the variable z. multiplication operation performed. Now third bit C, 2i plus 17 and 2i minus 17. 2i plus 17 is an algebraic expression having variable 2y and the constant 17. This expression is performed with the operation addition. 2i, the variable 2y is added with the constant 17. Addition operation performed. And 2i minus 17, this is an algebraic expression having the variable y and constant minus 17. And here subtraction operation is performed, subtracting 17 with the variable 2y. Subtraction and y, 2 multiplied with y, that is multiplication. We have to multiply the variable y with 2, then subtract 17 from the variable 2y. Now fourth bit 7m minus 7m plus 3 and minus 7m minus 3. 7m, this is an algebraic expression having the variable m and constant 7. Here multiplication operation is performed. Multiply the constant 7 with the variable m. 7m multiplication operation. And minus 7m plus 3. Here first multiply the constant minus 7 with the variable m. Then the product that we multiplied minus 7 with m added with the constant 3. So here multiplication operation and addition operation is performed. And minus 7m minus 3. First here multiplying the constant minus 7 with the variable m. So first multiplication operation is performed here. Then after multiplying the result that we get, multiplying minus 7 with m, the variable m, we have to subtract 3 from the result, that we multiply the variable m with minus 7. Then subtraction operation is performed. Now question number 4. Give the expressions in the following cases. 7 added to p. First bit is 7 added to p. Here added to means addition, that is plus symbol. That is we have to sum 7 constant 7 with variable p. So expression will be 7 added to p will be 7 plus p. 7 plus p. Now second bit B, 7 subtracted from p. Here subtracted from p. We have to subtract 7 from the variable p. So the expression will be p minus 7. 7 subtracted from p. P minus 7. Here p is the variable and 7 is the constant. Now third bit C, p multiplied by 7. The expression will multiplied by means multiplication symbol. So we have to multiply the variable p with 7. So the expression will be p multiplied by 7 or 7p. 7p. Now fourth bit d, p divided by 7. Here the variable p divided by the constant 7. So the expression will be p divided by 7. Now e. So 7 subtracted from minus m. Here 7 is a constant and the variable is minus m. 7 subtracted from minus m. We have to subtract 7 from the variable minus m. So minus m, the expression will be minus m minus 7. 7 subtracted from minus m. Now f. Minus p multiplied by 5. Here variable is p and the constant is 5. We have to multiply minus p with 5. Minus p, the expression will be minus p multiplied with 5. So this will be minus 5p or minus 5p. Now g bit, minus p divided by 5. Here variable is p and the constant is 5. The expression will be minus p divided by 5. Now h bit, p multiplied by minus 5. We have to multiply the variable p with minus 5. So it will be minus 5p. If you have not subscribed my YouTube channel, then please subscribe my YouTube channel. And if you have any doubts, then please write in comment section and I will reply. Keep learning, keep watching, and please subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you.